Banfubi baphume ngebunyenti babo baye enkonzweni yekumamukela ekhaya Mengameli waphambilini Jacob Zuma. Lo kaZuma uhlale ejele inyanga letimbili ngemva kwekutsi akhululwe ngenxa yokugula. Mengameli waphambilini Jacob Zuma ukhulume kabanti ngekuboshwa kwakhe nesigwebo setinyanga letilishumi abhadla ejele.
This felt like I was called on to suggest which rope should be used to hang me, without having pleaded to any charge and been prosecuted in a court.
Zuma ke usakhala ngekuthi kuboshwa kwakhe akukho emthethweni njengoba athi akulandzelwanga indlela lengiyo.
It seemed to me like an attempt for me to legitimize what I still view to be an unconstitutional process.
Ubuye wakhuluma ngeliqembu lakhe i-African National Congress.
I have made a call to many of my comrades and colleagues that we must vote for the ANC. Not to vote for the ANC or to encourage people who must become independent or vote for independence. You are, without realizing, helping the work of our enemies to make the ANC smaller.
Ubongile ke nakubalandzeli bakhe.
Ngifuna ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi ngenkathi ngibanjwa nabonisa ukungezwani nokwakwenziwa abaphetheyo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngidabuka ukuthi angikwazanga ukuba lapho kanye nani namhlanje ngenxa yokuthi ngiseyisiboshwa umuntu kakhulumeni.
Kwekucala kutsi Zuma avele esiveni kusukela atfola iparole yekugula.